Kain tayo ng dynamites at saka yung extra na dough. So ito. Very crunchy. Parang yung puri. Parang na makpari. Ito dyan. Sarap. Today I'm going to cook fillings of dynamite. So this only my ingredients. G1 garlics and these onions. So we have to saute this one. And now we put this G1 garlics. And I have this flake chicken because last night I cooked plau, so I removed from one piece of chicken head here, and then I flake it. And also potatoes, one piece of potatoes, and this is green chilies. So first I have to wash this one, and then I will cut and remove the seeds. And I have these fillings or palaman. Now we have to put this slices of potatoes. So next we have to put also this one, flake chicken or shredded chicken. I think this is enough fillings for 8 pieces of green chilies. You have to put also salt and chili powder or chili flake. Chili powder, yung red ba? And then some soy sauce. Now we have to cover it. So we'll cut this one and we have to remove the seeds. Before yesterday, I get some green chilies when I harvested also cherry tomatoes. So I have time to make dynamite. You see the seeds. I remove the seeds. But this is not chilies, not too much chilies, because this is like capsicum or bell pepper. Sweet chilies, this one. Now let's check. So this is already cooked potatoes, slices of potatoes, because this chicken is already cooked. Now we have to turn off now the flame, and it will remain open cover, so it will become cold, these fillings. Now next I have to do is I have to make my own wrapper, because here in our village in city of Braulacot, there is no available wrappers. So we are the one making it. And also if they are making the samosa, they are the one making wrappers. So now I make my own wrappers also for this dynamite. First I have to put fillings here, and then I will wrap in wrappers. It's like lumpia wrappers. I use 1 cup of all-purpose flour, pinch of salt, and then I have to put now water here. And this 1 cup of all-purpose flour, I think enough. This one wrappers of 8 pieces of green chilies for dynamite. Now we have to mix this one. Walang mabibili na wrapper eh. Kaya sariling sikap gagawa ng wrapper. So this is the dough. Now we leave this one for 15 minutes. And then now it's time to put now fillings, this green chilies. Now we have to cover it. So until I finish putting fillings here in green chilies, then it's time to put now also wrapper for this wrappers for this dynamites. Now we'll put now fillings of every green chilies. Now repeat another 5 pieces more. I already put all fillings, so I have little bit extra here. So I can eat this one with rice or with chapatis. So next I have to do is I have to roll now this dough of dynamite. Ito na yung dough ng para sa dynamite. So gawin natin dito ay i-roll natin. And then divide the wrappers into 8 pieces. Kasi 8 pieces lang yung yung green chilies na malalaki. Marami doon green chilies, kaya lang 8 pieces lang ang ang gagawin ko. So ito tama na ito kanipis. So gawin natin dito ay itong glass na ito, ayan. 8 pieces ang ano gawin natin. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ayan. 2, 4, 6, 8. So, may extra pa. Ayan. Ayan. O. Tapos, i-roll ko ito uli. Kasi maliit ito. So, i-roll uli natin ito para kasya sa ano, green chilies. Kasi malalaki yung green chilies eh. Ayan ah. Nakagawa na ako ng ano, 3. And then, ito. 3 yung aking nagawa na. So, start na tayong mag-ano, i-wrap na natin itong dynamite. Itong green chilies with fillings. Ayan. Ito na yung aking wrapper. Na homemade wrapper. Ayan. So, ano natin. Ganyan. Ayan. Tapos, i-ano natin sa tubig. Sisil natin sa tubig para hindi bubuka pag ano iprito. Ayan o. Oh. Next. The same procedure lang, i-wrap natin sa ano, homemade wrapper na gawa ko. Ayan. Ito, ready to fry na ang aking dynamites. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8 pieces dynamite. Then may extra ako na do. So, ipa-fry ko din ito. So, ito nagpapainit na ako ng mantika. Ito na yung finished product ng aking dynamites with extra dough.